13,500 feet above sea level, in middle of barren, desolate Spiti Valley, lies a calm and serene Dhankar Lake. This lake was our today's destination. Our journey started from Mud village. How we arrived to this village is an adventure of its own. We started from lush green Baba Valley, and after trekking for 6 days through forest, meadows, glaciers, and high altitude Pin Baba Pass, we reached Mud village. If you are interested in that part of our journey, I would recommend you watch our Pin Baba Pass video. Well, back to the topic at hand, Dhankar Lake. So we started from Mud village to Dhankar monastery. Trail towards Dhankar Lake starts from monastery itself. Talking about difficulty level of the trail, it is not difficult per se. It's more or less gradual uphill walk. But altitude might make it challenging for some. Time-wise again, it is entirely up to you. For us, it took us around 1 hour to reach lake. So expect something similar. Carry necessary amount of food and water. But for heaven's sake, don't litter. We were visiting this lake in month of September of 2019. We were told that at this point in time, lake would be completely evaporated. That we would not get to see much up there. But we still decided to go. And I am happy that we did. When we reached lake location, we found that half of the lake was still there. And like a cherry on top, at that point in time, we were the only ones over there. We sat on the shores of the lake, listening to faint sound of waves, with cool breeze on our face. Lake had fish in it. If we stayed quiet and did not move at all, those fishes would come right up till the shore. And even with the smallest of motion or sound, they would leap back in. We sat near the shore for 1 whole hour. And then started with our return journey. Spiti is beautiful. It has grand vistas. Those vistas literally stretch for kilometers at time. But for me, when I think of Spiti, this lake is what comes to my mind. And I'm glad I could share this experience with you all.